this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy PlayStation Plus on your PS4, and this is very easy. Just on the home screen here, we want to go up to the top part and scroll all the way to the left to where it says PlayStation Plus. Now under here, we can just go to the latest section and then go to the right, and we can go to where it says subscribe. And it's going to show us three different options under here. The first will be premium, and we can look at the features in there by pressing square. Then we will have extra, and then we will have essentials. So premium is the best, extra is the medium, and essentials is pretty much just playing online and then getting your free PlayStation Plus games each month. So look at the price down here. Premium is $120, extra is $100 every 12 months, and then essentials is $60 every 12 months. So if you look at the middle price right here, this is my upgrade price. It's not actually $24. Then extra is $16 for 145 days remaining, so it's not actually the price per year. Otherwise, you can go to where it says compare plans right here, and then you can get an even more detailed list of what you get. So essentials is pretty much what I like to get, just get the free games each month, but I won't have access to the game catalog or any of the classic or streaming or game trials. So I'm just going to get the essentials, and I already have it. So when I go to the screen, it will say buy again, but if you don't already have it, you can go to the PlayStation Store and then you can purchase it. And it says go to the manage subscription section to cancel out your auto renew or anything like that, or to buy again. So you can easily go right there. Now I'm going to back out. Now just on the home screen of PlayStation Plus, if we go over to more, we can go to manage subscription right here. And then we can go to this section, and it's going to give you a date that your PlayStation Plus will expire. So let's select it right here. And my expiration date is 1/3 of 2024. Now it says reactivate subscription right here. If you have auto renew turned on, it's going to go ahead and tell you the next day is going to be billed. So make sure you turn it off, and it says reactivate subscription, and you see an expiration date. Otherwise, your credit card is going to be getting charged again next month or next year. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.